In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove and replace a rear sway bar link on a Chevy Malibu located in the rear suspension. Remove the tire is a 19mm socket. So we have two mounting bolts for this link right here. The lower control arm is a bolt that goes through. It's a 15mm socket and wrench. So we're going to take that one out first. 15mm wrench on this side, socket on that side. Now on the upper mounting, that is a 15mm socket and wrench. I'm going to do a ratchet wrench and a wrench on this other side. Go ahead and take that nut off. Now with that nut off, before I take that link out, I want to note something. You see how we have an angle. There's a different side and how it goes. So I'm going to take note as I pull this out the way I took it out. So if I go like that, that's wrong. If I go like this, that's correct. Simple as that. Put that top bolt in. I'm just going to start the nut. And then I'm going to put that lower bolt in while I have the freedom of moving that back and forth. Let's get my 15mm socket in the gun. Sometimes you can just give it a little, help it along. Well, let's put that nut on. Now I'm just going to snug each piece down, then I'll end up torquing it to the factory spec. 15mm wrench and socket. Snug it down. And the same on the top. I'm just going to snug it up with my ratchet. And now I'll get my torque wrench. So the lower bolt is 43 foot-pounds. And the top bolt is 43 foot-pounds. So the next step would be an extra 45 to 60 degree turn, and I'm setting it at 50, so we're right there in the center. And that's on both upper and lower bolts. Like I said, 45 to 60 degrees. I'm set at 50. Mount your wheel, get your lug nuts, starting by hand. As you can see, there's 5 total. And when we tighten them, we're going to tighten them in a star pattern. It's a 19mm socket, and we're just going to bottom them out and then torque them to specs. The torque spec is 100 foot-pounds. We're going to do it in a star or crisscross pattern. Just double check. When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.